Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan tiramisu. Starting off, you're going to want 300 grams of biscuits of your choice. I'm using digestives, 1 block of silken tofu, a teaspoon of instant coffee, a squirt or 2 or 3 of agave, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of almond extract, a tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. I'm crumbling up the biscuits, and I'm moving on to prepare an instant coffee basically. So, I've got my coffee powder in there, I've got the sugar, I'm just adding some boiling water in there to make about a small cup. Giving it a good stir. Next, I'm pouring about half of that onto the biscuits just to get them soaked initially. I'm stirring that up, adding in the rest, make sure it's all lightly coated. Now go very careful with the almond extract, this stuff is very potent. You don't want it overly tasting like amaretto. I like mine shaken, not stirred, and I'm pouring that on. Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, do me a massive favour, hit that subscribe button, it will take you 2 seconds. Okay, now once I've got a nice mush, I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to start blending up the cream. In my Ninja cup, I'm dropping in the tofu. I'm going to squeezy some agave nectar in there. And adding in the teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now pouring that into a bowl, I've got my cream. Time for the layering. Starting off with my little soggy mushy base. Adding a layer of cream. Sprinkling on some chocolate powder. Then I'm just going to repeat the process a few times so that I've got nice layers. I'm going to top that off with a final sprinkle of chocolate powder. And folks, this is absolutely beautiful. If you're Italian, please don't leave me nasty comments. This is delicious, it works, and it's really, really good. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this one. Ciao for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed this. See you on the next one.